Happy Halloween!
Look, it's Matt Foley from Saturday Night Live.
I don't know who that is. I just came from a meeting at work.
Oh, good, Peter, you're home. You can help me pass out candy.
Sorry, Lois. I have to go do a dangerous speedball and become the least surprising death in Hollywood history.
Happy Halloween, Meg.
Wow, Mayor West, that's some costume.
Well, thank you kindly. It's me, Borat. You know, from that picture Borat. You ever seen it?
Yeah, that movie came out like 15 years ago.
Well, I'd never heard of it, but it was just about the funniest thing I'd ever seen. Anyway, have a good evening. My wife!
This is my costume? Come on, put in some effort. Guys, just because you showed up doesn't mean you get an apple.
Apple?
We're here for candy!
Kill yourself.